Ever wondered what's inside a millionaire's house? Well, hold on to your seat because it's not what you think, and it's about to change everything you know about making money. I guess we're on the same page, and we've all seen those luxurious mansions, fast cars, and private jets on social media, right? But here's the real question. How did they get there? No, it's not by winning the lottery, and no, it's not always by working 80-hour weeks. In fact, it's a shockingly simple strategy that anyone can use, and it doesn't involve a fancy degree or years of experience. And yes, you're about to discover how this strategy not only transformed the life of a single dad with 2 kids, but it could change yours too. And if you think you've heard it all before, just wait until you hear what happened to him when he took one simple step. You won't believe it, but before I tell you about that, let me ask you this. What's the one thing that holds most people back from doubling or even tripling their income? If you guessed lack of opportunity, think again. It's not about the opportunity, it's about recognizing the opportunities that are right in front of you. The single dad I mentioned earlier, his name is Michael, and he was stuck in the same paycheck-to-paycheck cycle many of us are familiar with, working 2 jobs, barely making rent, and struggling to make ends meet. Then one day, while picking up groceries, he overheard a conversation that would change his life forever. A stranger was talking about passive income, how it's not about working harder, but smarter. Curious, Michael decided to explore what that meant. He didn't know it at the time, but this was the beginning of his journey to financial freedom. He learned that the key to boosting income wasn't by working more hours or finding a 3rd job. Instead, it was about investing his time and money into something that could grow without him. The concept was simple, passive income streams. But here's where it gets interesting. Michael didn't have money to invest at first, and he didn't know the first thing about real estate or stocks. So he started with something he already knew. Digital products, specifically an online course on fixing cars, something he was naturally good at. He didn't need to be an expert, just a few steps ahead of others. He filmed it in his garage with his phone, uploaded it, and waited. It didn't take off overnight. In fact, for the first few weeks, nothing happened. But then the reviews started coming in. People loved his simple, down-to-earth approach. Word spread, and within 6 months, Michael wasn't just earning a side income, he was making more from his online course than his 2 jobs combined. And you know what's the best part? He wasn't tied to a desk. He wasn't sacrificing time with his kids. His income was growing even while he slept. Now let me tell you, that's what boosting your income truly looks like. It's about freeing up your time, not trading more hours for more dollars. Michael's story is proof that anyone can start from zero and build something remarkable. But if you think that's impressive, just wait until you hear what happens when you add just one more layer to this strategy. You see, Michael wasn't the only one to realize this. Thousands of people are tapping into what's called compounding opportunities. These are simple yet powerful ways to take something small and grow it exponentially. Take Sarah, for instance, a single mom with no tech experience. Her income boost didn't come from starting a business or investing in stocks. It came from affiliate marketing. But what does it mean? She simply recommended a product she used daily, a blender of all things, on her social media. For each sale made through her link, she earned a commission. The commissions were small at first, but then the snowball effect kicked in. As more people shared her post, as more sales were made, thus her earnings grew faster than she ever imagined. Within a year, Sarah was earning thousands of dollars a month from a blender. And here's the kicker. She wasn't even selling the product herself. She just introduced people to something she already loved. This is how simple it can be. You don't have to reinvent the wheel to boost your income. You just need to recognize the opportunities already in front of you. And now for the moment you've been waiting for, the part that ties it all together. If Michael and Sarah's stories sound too good to be true, let me assure you, they didn't start with a lot of money or time. They started with one simple mindset shift. Leverage. And no, not in the way you might think. I'm not talking about loans or investments, but leveraging your existing skills, your current network, and yes, even your time in smarter ways. But here's where it gets really interesting. The secret to this strategy isn't just about making more money. It's about creating more time, more freedom, and more choice in your life. You see, boosting your income doesn't mean working harder. It means setting up systems that work for you. And the craziest part? We're just getting started. Michael, Sarah, and countless others are living proof that you don't need to be a financial genius to make this happen. It's about finding a strategy that works for you, whether it's creating a course, leveraging affiliate marketing, or investing in something small that grows over time. So can you tell me now what's holding you back? If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to start, this is it. The strategy is simple and it's right in front of you. The next step is entirely up to you. But remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you can stop worrying about money and start enjoying your life. This strategy won't just boost your income, it'll give you the freedom to live the life you've always dreamed of.